Okay, today I went to court. Um, this is for simple possession of marijuana. So I talked to the public defender, and the last time, all right, I went to court for the arraignment, guilty or not guilty, pled not guilty. Then they sent me another court date to come in and appoint a lawyer. So at that point, I remember specifically asking the person that I spoke to, which gave me a card to the public defender, to put in a request for a speedy trial. Because I read where you have to request this. Everything else, in the court, I think you have to file for extension. But in this case, they make it to where you have to file for a speedy trial, which is, you're right, exploitations. Till I get to court, and I object to them any continuations because I'm like, at this point in time, I've been to court like this is my third time here at court. My time is valuable. The DA, ADA, or whatever needs to do his homework, and basically I am innocent until proven guilty, and they have the burden of proof. So get your act together, because I'm a citizen. So in a sense, you're wasting my valuable time, and I'm guilty until proven innocent, seems like. Because, I'm still caught up in the system to where if I don't show up in court, I get a warrant put out for my arrest. And it's like it's trying to capture me, and it's also controlling me because I can't go where I need to go because I got to come back and have a court date. And, it's like they're trying to get you on other things. And then they plea bargains. The lady, the public defender gave me an option to where they would drop the charges, but I would have to pay a fee. What happened to innocent? I don't even care if I'm innocent. There's no even, and like I said, as far as the public defender, they're not even putting in for the speedy trial. She told me herself that the ADA is having problems with getting his paperwork together, getting his act together. So why don't you use the system, rather than have people caught up in the system? Are you an agent of the court or you're a public defender? You're really looking to defend the public properly. And that's where I'm saying that we're not getting proper representation, we're not getting proper information, and our rights basically are being violated over and over. This is costing me time, money, and stress. Stress kills. And they're submitting me to unnecessary stress. And I just think that's not right. Well, I know it's not right as far as the courts, which is supposed to be agents of justice, blind, seeking justice. They don't even seek justice anymore. They just want your money out. All right, we'll give you a deal. Just give us some money. And that's not cool. Because like I said, for the most part, my situation is I'm not the one that's in the wrong. And that's what I'm telling you when I told you not guilty. So speedy trial is one little loophole that I see that is being exploited because you have to apply for it rather than file for an extension. Everything else is court dates, like you having a right to appeal. They don't say that you have to file for a time frame. No, you have to file for an extension because if you don't have it done within a certain amount of time, it's deemed as you're wasting my time and your time. And that's where I'm at right now. This court's wasting my time with this because in the state of Louisiana, medical marijuana has been passed. So in a sense, it's like it's contradicting the whole statute of it being a Schedule One drug, where it has no medical benefits. So law is subject to interpretation. So a lot of this prosecution is a waste of the public's time. They need to see this and quit controlling us by any means necessary.